Well, hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new, I'm so happy you're here. Today I did this beautiful bag. It's a bag made with feathers, and for some of my old ride or dies, you know I love feather anything. So this purse is adorable, and it's actually made with souter feathers. And the way I did this, you can do it for going out on a date night, dressing up, dressing down. Absolutely cute. You can see what I did to the back versus the front. But I also have some of this video is sponsored by BeeBeeCraft.com, and BeeBeeCraft is a large supplier which provides high quality jewelry making supplies. So that's basically the mesh, that really pretty mesh that you see on the top of the bag. So we're going to go through the steps that I took to create this, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. So what you're going to need is a clutch. This is an old clutch I was going to use for a previous DIY, but I didn't. And to make the bag look a little bit more cohesive for the front versus the back, I'm starting with the back, and I'm just going to go ahead and add some of these feathers. And these with the actual blue and black souter feathers, I'm going to put those in the front. Now I am going with feathers on trim to make it easier. If you do it without trim, you have to cut them off, and oh my god. So as you can see, all I'm going to be doing is hot gluing them. I started about 1/3 to 1/2 of the way up for the back because this feather trim is very thick, and I basically just want to cover that pink bag. Yes, I know the pink looks like throw up pink, which is exactly why I'm going to cover it with these feathers for cohesiveness. Yes, I know. So what I'm going to do is basically make sure that it's covered, and then when I get rid of that little piece where the handle was, I put the trim on it, and there you go. Now this trim is called Peach Puff from BeeBeeCraft, but it's actually silver and gold combo. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my signature color. It looks like sort of like a royal blue, but it's actually like a peacock or a turquoise blue. Once again, I'm going to start hot gluing this about 1/3 of the way up, because you don't want to do it from the bottom up, and just make sure that your feathers don't touch the hot glue. And all I'm going to do is repeat that process and basically put the trim at the very bottom where the other one ends, and then we'll go from there. And I'm just going to just continue this all the way up, and I'm going to show you near the top how I'm going to take the very ends and just tack those down with a little bit of glue. And the reason I'm doing that is so it's not sticking out, and the black feathers from the back will hide it and cover it up, because I'm going to put some black trim at the top also. And basically that's what I'm doing. I'm not even worrying about that metal, guys. Whatever bag you use, make sure that it can take the hot glue, and you're good to go. Now that I'm at the top, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to go ahead and add that black trim on top of the turquoise. I did 2 rows of that, and now I'm going to add the actual mesh on there. And this is so pretty, and it's made for basically a hot fix glitter, and it's like a really pretty mesh. And once again, it's a silver and gold. Now I'm going to put all of the items as far as the souter feathers, ostrich feathers, and everything else, and the mesh and the links for BeeBeeCraft in the description bar below, so don't worry about that, guys. All of this will be down there except for the little clutch bag. Everybody has an old clutch. Just pull the old clutch out and go in and let have, guys, because this only took me 10 minutes to do for everything. Now I know the back is a little different from the front, but like I said, I wanted something to cover up that pink color. But guys, this came out so cute. And you're really not going to see the back, but I just wanted cohesiveness. But isn't this bag adorable? Oh my god, I love it. Yep, so basically I don't like the pink handle, that little clutch handle, that the wristlet. So I basically removed that a little later on, but I wanted to give you a close-up of how pretty that mesh is from BeeBeeCraft. And once again, I'm going to put the link to that in the description bar below, along with, if you're interested in making this, the feathers and everything else. So yeah, I really like the way this turned out. This is the last in my DIYs being sponsored from product from BeeBeeCraft. If you're interested, there's a YouTube program where you can get free products by doing videos, and all you need is 100 subscribers or more in order to get that. So if you're interested, I'm definitely going to leave that link in the description bar below, because for small YouTubers like me, it's awesome to get those free sponsored products and do DIYs. So I really love the way this turned out, guys. I hope you like it also. If you do, don't forget to smash that like button and give it a thumbs up, because it so helps us so much, guys. Thanks again for watching. Be blessed and keep your head up. It's gonna be all right. Love you guys.